know how to move around in this world, let's go ahead and try placing our very first block in the world, alright? Up here at the top in our toolbar area, you can see there's a bunch of different buttons in here, but we're looking for the one that says part. It's got a cube on it, and then it says part. Go ahead and click on that button, and boom, it's going to place a part in the workspace. So go ahead and pause your video, click on that part button, try placing a part in the world, and then come back and we'll talk about what we can do with it after that. Okay, so I have this block in my world. I can fly in really close to it using those buttons we talked about, W, A, S, and D, along with right-click, and I can get a really close-up look at my block, and it looks like a Lego block, honestly. It looks like something you might be playing with in a Lego set. Okay, this is our first part in Roblox. Now, parts are just blocks. They're just little pieces that make up our worlds. You'll be using parts to make all sorts of crazy things in your Roblox game. But right now, we're going to start very simple by just placing these basic rectangular parts. If you click on that part button again, you can add more and more blocks to your level, okay? You can put a whole bunch of them down if you want. And then, if you go ahead and click on this play button up here on the top right, it's got a triangle with a little Roblox dude on it. If you click on that, that'll actually start your game world. So you can try interacting with these. You can walk up on top of them. And it's not very exciting yet, but it is cool that we're able to play our first level, even when it's so basic. So go ahead and pause your video and click on that little play button up here on the top right. And as you saw what I just did, you can click on the stop button when you want to stop it.